Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Before starting this vlog, I just want to give you a little overview of why I was MIA in the last 2 months. Basically, the last vlog that I had uploaded was the shifting vlog. It was in the month of February, and then after that I have been uploading small YouTube shorts here and there, like cooking videos and all get ready with me's and all of that. In the month of March I have shot some long format videos, but I never uploaded them because by the end of the March we had like a tragic incident in our family. Like me and my husband, we both were not in a good space. I was not feeling like vlogging or making any videos, so I took a pause for some time. And later in this month, so today is I think May 10th. Yeah, today is May 10th. So I have started vlogging here and there in between, but I have never shot like a proper intro for this video. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just tell you why I have started vlogging, what this video is all about. So basically, when I came to this home, I definitely got a lot of new stuff like bed sheet, mattress and all of that, all the homely stuff that you need. But I never got a chance to sort of redecorate my balcony because I have a pretty huge balcony. It's almost the size of my bedroom. And now that the monsoon is coming, like the rainy season is coming on its way, so I have like a very like a mood board in my mind. I want to make like a very nice cozy corner in the balcony, so that whenever it rains, it's like very windy out in the balcony, so I can take my bean bag, sit on that, read my books, have a cup of coffee, tea, whatever you want. So yeah, that's the whole purpose of this video. I'm going to be doing some things here and there for my cute little balcony, and you'll be able to see that. If you like any of the things, I'll make sure to tag all the products in the description box. So yeah, that's all that I have for you. And if you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe and enjoy my video. And now I'll take you to a few days back where I was, I started redecorating my balcony, so you can enjoy yourself. Bye bye. I am in my balcony, and this is my bookshelf. Ayo. It's very heavy. So now I am going to assemble it with the help of my husband. Come here, husband. Yes. It's been a long time since they have seen your face. Jhukko thoda niche. Hi. Okay, come. It is 90% done, little bit is left to do. And as you can see, the sun is setting down. It's looking really pretty. I don't know if you can see it properly, but this is how it's looking. Pretty, right? So I have received one more parcel from Amazon. I am guessing this is the macrame that I have ordered. Isn't this so pretty? Oh my god. Hi you guys, it's the next day. It's Sunday today, and I don't have like an agenda as such for today. I just want to go out, meet all my family members, and come back home and get ready for the IPL final, because it's the RCB in the final, and I am very much rooting for them to win this IPL as well. So today I woke up in the morning. Sorry, my wardrobe is open. Today I woke up in the morning, I cleaned my balcony, I cleaned my house, I cooked lunch, we had our lunch and everything, and now I just took a nice shower, and I'll be getting ready to go out now. So I have started using this Dot & Key's moisturizer. This is the oil free moisturizer, and I have been using this for past like 15-20 days. It's working very nice for me because I have really oily skin, and I tend to get a lot of breakouts, so I think this works very well on my skin. Okay, so after the moisturizer I take this Faces Canada strobe serum. This is not strobe cream, this is a strobe serum. I take it on the back of my hands, very little, like one drop of that, and then I'll go in with my Dot & Key's strawberry dewy tinted sunscreen. I have been using this for so many months now, and then I'll take it on top of this. It's getting messy, and I would mix this two together like this, and now I will apply on my skin. Okay guys, we are ready and we will be leaving now. Come Christy. Bye. We will see you later when I come back home. Where is my husband? Oh, he went to washroom. Okay. Hi guys, I am back home and it's quite late now. It's 7 o'clock. Now I'm going to sit here and watch the IPL match because I think it will be starting now at 7:30. It's already 7:10. I am searching for the remote. I'm not getting it. Oh, I got it now. Okay, let's hope that RCB wins this year also. If it happens, I would be the most happiest person today. Okay guys, so the update is that RCB needs 8 runs from 18 balls, which is pretty easy, but I'm still going to keep my fingers crossed. Okay guys, we need 6 runs from 16 balls now. Last 6 runs to go.
6 money only.
Ooh. Guys, good morning. So as you can see my puffy face, which means that I just woke up, not just as in I have woke up for past 30 minutes now. So now the plan is I'm going to make myself and my husband sandwich because I have some leftover stuffing which I made for parathas the other day. I am also going to make coffee. So for coffee I have few options. I don't know which coffee to make today. Let's see. I'm gonna take my cup. I think that I have catched cold because since the time I have woken up, I'm getting like sensation that I have catched cold. I am going to use this and froth. So my sandwich and coffee is ready. I'm going to give this to Christy, and the other two are in making now.
But sandwich.
this is how my shelf is looking, and it's looking really very cute, I must say. So these are all my books which I have to read now. I have finished I think 2 of these. Yeah, I have finished this one, Make Me, and I am halfway through the Need Me, and I have to read the Choose Me. So this is a series of books from Tessa, and I also have this book which I am really looking forward to read, and this also is a very famous book. This is The Days at the Torunga Cafe. So these are the few books that I have to read, and other than that I would like to show you few other books also that I have. So I have this book called Powerless. So it is also a series of books. I have to read the other parts of this book as well. Then I have this The Sister of My Heart from Chitra Banerjee. She's an Indian author. And then we have some classics like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, Man's Search for Meaning, and then this Good Vibes Good Life book. And I have also bought this Too Good to Be True, which is also from an Indian author, Prajakta Kohli. This is also a good book. Now this book, which is from Cecilia Ahern, Into the Storm, it is okayish, not that good. Same for this one also, The Way I Am Now. This is also okayish. And I also have this one. This is also a very classic book. It's also a very good read. Yeah, these are all the books which I have right now. Apart from this, it's not like I have read only these books. I have read other books also, but I don't have them right now, so I have just kept these. Yeah, hi you guys, good evening. Yeah, it is 9, almost 9 now. Yeah, दोपहर को I showered quite late. उसके बाद now I was sitting for my lecture, which didn't happen, but you know what happened? Rain. So it started raining very heavily. I don't know if you can hear my voice. See, it's raining, guys. Okay guys, so we are going to hang the frames on this wall. We have to see कौन से हाइट पे करना है. आई थिंक दैट मैक्रमे है ना, उसकी ही हाइट पे हम लगाते हैं. हाँ, और थोड़ा ज़्यादा, थोड़ा ऊपर करना, लिटिल बिट मोर अप. नो नॉट दैट. हाँ, थोड़ा लेफ्ट. ओके, कूल. So this is what we have come up with. We were little bit struggling with the alignment of the frames, but I think we did a pretty good job. Christy, थोड़ा side हटना. Yeah, I mean it's fine, not bad. बीच वाला frame थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो गया, but that's like the middle frame is little bit high, but I think it's fine. It's not, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इतना. Hi guys, welcome, and today is Monday. We went to watch this movie named Obsession, and what would you say, Christy, about the movie?
Mind blowing.
Yeah, it is so good. It's basically, I don't know if we should call it a horror movie because there is no such.
Nikki rocked.
Yeah, Nikki definitely rocked in the movie. If you are into like this horror scary type of movies, but this is the one with a twist. It's very different from all the other horror movies that we have watched. It's very good. So I think if you are also, you know, interested in this genre, you also can go and watch. Okay, now we are going to go home, and then probably I will catch you. Bye. Okay guys, so I just want to mention that I was on my periods this week. Today is Thursday, so I was, yeah, this whole week I was on my periods, right? Oh my god, I don't know what is the issue with my tripod, but I need a new tripod ASAP. Now I'm just going to show you what I ordered from Amazon, because that's why I came here for. Okay, let's see what we have in this box. Okay, so this is the first thing that I have ordered. It is quite entangled, so let me just, these two plants are entangled in a very bad way. I don't know how they have packaged and gave me. I didn't like the packaging for this one for sure. Okay, it's done. So this is how the fake plant looks, and it is supposed to be like, you know, like this crawling down, because I'm going to keep it on my macrame and then it will like flow down. So that's the whole idea of this. I have got 2 in pairs. So the another thing that I have ordered is this one. This is like a wall hanging type of a thing, and I will show you. Okay, so this is how this wall hanging looks like. It's written, "This is our happy place." So I'm going to, you know, hang it in my balcony because that is our happy place. And iske niche also we have this small tassels. So I think it will look very cute on my wall. Hi guys, this is my plant, whatever this is, fake plant that I have kept it on my macrame. This is how it's looking. I think it's of perfect length for the shelf also. Yeah, cute. Now for the wall hanging, I was planning to hang it over here on this wall. Cool. Thank you. Hi guys, so we both are out and about. We are going to a nursery to buy some plants in our balcony, because as you have seen we have a lot of plants, right? But jab humne usko initially we bought it, they had a lot of flowers blooming and all, but now like we are not getting enough flowers and we need like a rose plant, because we already have one rose which is blooming very nicely, touch wood. So we need few more like roses in other colors. We have the one in red, right? That is the red color, no?
Yeah, I think it's red.
It's red. I'm confused if it is red or pink. It is red, no?
I think it's red.
This boy. Okay, it's red. We have red rose, but we are going to see some other more beautiful roses. Hi guys, welcome back. It is Sunday today, and me and Christy, we both went to church morning mass, like early morning mass, 6 o'clock. Then we came back home, we had our breakfast, and I'm sitting in my balcony on my beanbag. So the balcony is finally ready, and I'm really very happy to finally upload this vlog. But yeah, there are a few more things that I can add. I wanted to add like lightings and all of that, but I think it will just take forever to, you know, add all of those small things, and I can never upload this vlog. So I thought, okay, I might as well just finish it with whatever items that I have collected and placed. It's looking much better, I would say. And yeah, I just wanted to come here and share with you guys that thank you so much for, you know, supporting me, my channel. I know that I only have like 70-80 subscribers. It's not even 100 yet, but no worries. You people who choose to watch my content, I'm very grateful for you all, and I will try my level best to be consistent as much as possible on my channel, in short format and in long formats both. I just wanted to say that please keep supporting, and please share this video with your friends or family members who you would think will benefit from my content or my video. And if you liked any of the products below, then please do check the description box, because I will make sure to link all of the products that I have used. And also, the quality of all the products is not top notch, it's good, decent quality. Like the bean bag is very nice, the shelf is good, the height I told you it's thoda chota. Other than that, the macrame is perfect, but the frame quality is also like, it's not bad, but it's not like very good also. So you can buy all these things, it's not an issue. If you're on a budget and if you want to redecorate your balcony, if you're in a rental home, so you don't want to drill your house or anything like that, you can use all these products. After my outro, I'll show you the final look of the balcony. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, and please keep on supporting. Please share my channel as much as possible, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.